Looking for a one-of-a-kind piece for the deer lover in your life? Check this hand wire wrapped pendant out today. It is wire wrapped with gold coated copper, with a copper base, sterling silver, black coated copper, and antique bronze wire. It has a multifaceted rose quartz at the bottom, and the deer's spiritual property is innocence, unconditional love, and protection, which goes perfect with the rose quartz, which is the stone of unconditional love. Grab this one-of-a-kind hand wire wrapped pendant for yourself or a loved one today, and thank you for checking out all of my handmade pieces at IBJ.